I am down on my knees, Lord. Father, please hear my prayer. I long to be holy as you are holy, Lord. Dear God, please give me a servant's heart so I may be used by you for your kingdom's work. Mold me, Lord, help me to be more like you. Guide me with your spirit. Take control of my flesh, oh Lord. Fill me with your wisdom and help me to love you more. My body is your temple. Cleanse me and make me pure. Don't let Satan defile me. Let no unclean thing ever enter in. Speak through my unclean lips, O Lord, that they may bring glory to your holy name. You own me because you bought me. So use me, O Lord, I pray. Guide me with your spirit. Take control of my flesh, oh Lord. Fill me with your wisdom and help me to love you more. In Jesus' name I pray. In Jesus' name